Hello. Hello, hello.
Good morning.
We are here in
Prague.
or Praha, depending on how you, what language you speak.
Yes.
But this is somewhere we've been looking forward to for such a long time.
Yes, we arrived here yesterday afternoon.
It was pouring with rain.
And
The whole trip from Vienna. I don't know where we come from. Ostrava.
Yeah.
It's easy to forget Ostrava. We didn't shoot a video there.
No, it's just a small little country town,
Yeah.
so we didn't do too much. We thought we'd wait till we get to Prague.
Prague, yeah.
And there is so much to see and do here.
So we have a friend here, Adela, Addie, Adelka.
So who graciously showed us around yesterday.
Yeah.
So we got a little bit of a preview.
Yes, we went out last night.
Beautiful, beautiful place.
The night views are pretty awesome. I'll whack one up on the screen now. But it's a pretty awesome place. It's full of life, full of vibrancy, it's full of energy.
Bring your walking shoes.
Bring your walking shoes. We didn't mean to. We ended up walking 7.5 Ks last night.
Yes, yes, we've got a little preview tour.
We did.
So,
but we're going to go around a bit today and show you some of the main sights of Prague. So I hope you enjoy the video.
See you soon.
Yeah. Well, that beautiful building is the National Museum.
It's absolutely amazing.
Yeah, it's awesome.
It's huge. It goes all the way around, really.
Yeah.
Yeah, like takes
it's a big block. Massive. And then this area is Wenceslas Square, I think it is.
Well,
I'll put it on the screen.
My memory's not
put it on the
that
screen.
Good. But the reason why we are here is because of that.
The horse.
The horse. So apparently, if you're meeting a local in the city, you meet
at the horse.
Meet at the horse. That's the tip.
It's pretty hard to miss the horse though, isn't it?
Massive.
Oh yeah. This is a beautiful area. Like it's just
amazing. And there's more.
We can have a wander that way.
Let's go to the centre.
Yeah.
The old town square.
The clouds are looking a bit ominous, but we should be alright because I read the weather forecast.
I have checked the weather. We're going to be okay.
Okay, so that's the museum up there. We just walked down this bit. Beautiful.
Oh, just stunning.
Lovely area. Yeah, and then we're going to go this way, which is right at the end, so near the New Yorker, to the astronomical clock.
Yes, which I've wanted to see for such a long time. So, yeah, looking forward to that.
Oh, yeah. Around every corner, more beautiful buildings. But we found this market over here, so we're going to go have a look at this market.
I can't pronounce it. I'm not sure if that's actually the start of the market or if that's the shop, but it looks very cute.
Yeah, it's awesome.
So it's got a few little trinkets, some lovely flowers. Very nice. Just a few little trinkets, I think.
Homemade
Touristy
jams
trinkets.
and stuff.
Oh, how nice. Take something home.
Not for us.
Little souvenir. Not for us. We'll eat it before we get it.
We're not going home for
We're not going home for a long time.
10 months. Honey wine.
Hot honey wine.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Maybe it's like a.
Not too shabby.
Maybe it's, what's the one you like?
Mulled wine.
Mulled wine. That's right.
Might have to try the hot honey wine.
I think it's all touristy stuff, really, isn't it?
It is.
Yeah.
Still nice to see.
Yeah.
Cannabis chocolate.
Oh.
Never know.
Never know. Take your little bags with.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's kind of good, isn't it?
Jo, tak mám číslo. Až mě řeknete, tak já nevím, který den, ale když jste říkal, že mám hodně.
1080. So that's about 100?
No, that's about
80?
80. Yeah, that's 50, 60 bucks, somewhere in there.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. That's not too bad, really, for the market.
I'll put it on the screen, I'll work it out.
Yeah, I'm not that good with it.
Alright, let's find this clock. Lolly shop.
Deals?
Sex museum.
Yeah.
It's interesting, isn't it? Well, if you get to the sex museum, you know you're almost at the astrological clock.
You are nearly there.
You're nearly there. Round this corner.
Around the Starbucks.
Yeah, near the Starbucks. When you see big name brands, like I've said 1,000 times,
yeah,
it's my
Zara.
thing. Zara, H&M, Mango. Find that, find the center of the city. Here we go, look at that.
Oh. This is one of the most iconic areas,
Yeah, this
isn't it?
This is, yeah.
This is, like, everyone comes here. Look at all the tourists taking pictures. It's so
We came to this square last night.
Oh.
And Addie was saying that in here at Christmas, it's all the little markets set up with the big Christmas tree.
I'd love to see it.
That'd be beautiful at Christmas.
That would be so awesome. Maybe one day when we brave up that we can...
If you're set up for winter to be okay, I think.
Winter. But let's have a look at the views.
There it is. Look at that.
Oh, amazing. Oh, it's a limo. Maybe someone's getting married.
Oh, maybe. Yeah, this is not the original though. We saw a video. This
That's
is number
right.
5, and there was a controversy because the art isn't quite the same. We were watching about that.
So that's the difference.
But the original's in the museum somewhere, but the museum's closed.
Right. Okay.
Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful.
Amazing. Absolutely beautiful.
Awesome. It's the other side of that tower. This square. Oh,
This is magnificent.
oh, it's glorious. But yeah, they have in winter all Christmas decorations, big Christmas trees.
Oh, massive Christmas tree.
Oh, it's fantastic. What a spot. Another beautiful church over here. This is such a pretty city, isn't it?
I'm loving it.
Oh yeah, it's amazing. Absolutely amazing.
Just so nice. You can kind of like do that.
You can.
Little dance.
It's like the hills are alive. Alright, let's do that.
Let's do this little dance.
Oh, dizzy,
Hopefully you're not getting dizzy.
Oh no, it's starting to rain.
Oh no, I jinxed it. I really
jinxed
think
it.
I have. It is. We didn't bring our
We didn't
umbrellas.
have our umbrellas, so we're going to have to go and get some shelter.
Okay.
Always raining. Why? Always bloody raining.
It said it was gonna blow over. It's just there.
Yeah, it's just there.
Alright, let's go
Alright,
shopping.
we're going to go find some shelter. He got us. See, ominous clouds, I told you.
It did rain. It said no rain today.
Yeah, but that's alright. It's blew over pretty quick. You get a nice reflection of the church here.
Actually, yeah, it's actually pretty good pictures.
If we head this way, I think it's this way and then round that way, to go to the Charles Bridge, another major attraction.
I wanted to go there for so long. We got to have a sneak peek of it yesterday.
Yes.
Last night, I should say. It's very pretty. So we're going to take you there now.
Let's do it. Yeah. Well, it poured with rain for 30 minutes. We sought
Oh, we got stuck at Starbucks.
refuge in Starbucks.
It was bucketing.
Yeah. Well, now we're going to head to the Charles Bridge, so we're going to go this way instead now, past the astrological clock again, because you can get around this way to get there.
Okay. Fingers crossed.
And we didn't bring umbrellas because we
They're
read the report and it
At
said
home. Why? Lesson learned.
no
Always
rain
bring your
today. No
umbrella.
rain today.
Just bring your umbrella. We're back.
We're back. So we hang on, we're
New
just
ensemble.
out a bit. Yeah, well, we've got new clothes as you can see. So
We've got drenched.
yeah, the last little bit of video I showed you, the water running down there near the astrological clock. Then it just bucketed, like absolutely bucketed down. We tried to seek refuge in a couple of places and we just gave up. So we hightailed it to Primark. We got ourselves some coats, and then
3 weeks they should last.
the sun came out.
Yeah, and now we've got some sunshine.
So now we're going to head
we're
back.
Attempting second time.
Charles
across the
Bridge.
Charles
All right,
Bridge.
we're going to go back. We're going to make it this time, but
We're gonna do it.
I'm confident this is going to happen.
Still no umbrellas, but
Yes, no, we've got hoodies though.
it's okay. We have
Look at
these. So we're going to be okay.
You're going to be
We've got
fine.
this.
Let's do it. All right, Charles Bridge, here we come. Ooh la la.
Is it there?
See it.
Yes, we have made a
Let's not get run over. Like all the old trams, but there it is. Oh. The Charles Bridge.
Yes. We made it. Skies have opened up. We got some sunshine.
Yeah. Beautiful.
We are here. Let's go.
Alright, let's walk over there.
Onto it.
Let's go.
Have a look at that.
How good's that?
Pretty awesome.
Oh yeah.
Let's go. Oh, dreamed of this moment for so long.
Yeah, I've been waiting to come here for a long time.
Oh, so exciting. Oh wow, this is so cool.
Lucky the weather's cleared up a bit, eh? Jesus.
We were so unlucky for a
That was so
second.
bad.
But we're lucky now.
Yes.
Oh, this is so awesome. Wow. And of course, we're sharing it with everybody else.
Yeah,
'Cause
everybody else is enjoying it too.
everyone else is here.
So it's the Vltava river that runs under this.
Which one?
Vltava.
Vltava.
Vltava, yeah.
Vltava.
That's it. And then you got Prague Castle here, and then the old town there, and this is why this is popular, because it's a link between the two. It's an old medieval bridge.
Wonderful.
And the views are sensational.
Oh. Amazing.
And the statues are sensational, but I think some of them are not original, some have been replaced. And
Bees around.
a few bees around. That's why they're after that honey.
Awesome.
Cool.
Right.
We're at the other end of the bridge. We're gonna go, oh, just up there. You can sort of see it disappearing.
Up to the castle.
Castle, Prague Castle?
Yes.
Hmm.
And this doesn't look good.
Mm.
We are covered.
Oh, we're covered now, look. Views on views, baby.
Oh yeah, very pretty.
It's a hell of a few steps to get up here.
Yes,
But we're here.
it's up there, that's for sure.
Alright, let's go explore Prague
have a
Castle.
look.
We can smell in the air cooking onions or something.
It's just getting me. It wants me to just order dumplings.
Eat food,
I can't win here.
drink beer, eat food. That's what Prague yells out.
Yeah, fried cheese.
Fried cheese, dumplings,
Don't worry
schnitzels.
about putting on weight, just keep eating.
Yeah, keep eating.
A je to balšoj meč, je to dva Karola, jak jechal na koňu, a je to
I think there's a line to get in. All the way over there. All the way back down there.
Popular place.
Popular spot.
It must be. We'll have a look around it.
Yeah, we'll have a look. Back on the beers.
We thought, why not? Everyone's saying you got to come to Prague, you got to have
And
a
a beer.
beer.
Yeah.
So,
yeah.
here
This
we
is
are.
their well,
Our only.
I think this is the second beer we've had since the beginning of August.
So we're.
We've
it's
been pretty
okay.
good.
We've
We're
been
trying to
pretty
be
good.
low carb, but
So,
we're here and it's like
you have
to
to.
have to try it.
And it's about to bucket
And
down
it's about
again.
to rain again. So we've got a little bit of shelter. We've got some beers. We're going to enjoy
Life
this.
is good.
Yeah, exactly. That's our day.
That's it. We get done.
It's not raining anymore, which is fantastic.
Actually, it's blue
blue skies.
I know.
Changed so fast.
So quick. We thought it was going to bucket again, but no.
Anyway, it'll be nice and warm at least. Because it is a bit chilly.
It is actually very cold.
Yeah. So we're on our way now to go get some party supplies.
Yes.
One of our very bestest friend is turning 40 on Tuesday.
Yes.
And she said a big party tomorrow.
Which we're not going to be.
Yeah, because we're on the other side of the planet.
So we're going to have a party here for her.
Yes, and well, she'll see this after, so we'll be calling in and saying good day and
we'll
chatting to the guests.
Party supplies and chatting with everybody. We'll dress ourselves up.
Mr. Michael can keep a secret if he wants.
So yeah.
Well, hope you've enjoyed the video.
And enjoyed Prague.
And enjoyed Prague. Prague is awesome. We're just trying to work it out then if we'd what city we'd come back to straight away, and Prague was top of the list.
Definitely
so
number one.
Number one so far.
Number one for sure.
So we will see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.